Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Wolfart Player One here, your boy, and today we are going to learn about Photoshop. Instead of playing games the entire time, uh, we could, guys, you can download this in computer. It's much easier in computer, or I'm not so sure in iPhones or tablets, whatever. So this is just what I am creating today. This bad boy, the Photoshop. It's the one that helped me in creating my thumbnails. It's the one that helped me in my other stuff in editing. Well, some of the editing is in the other app. It's called Paint 3D. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film about how to use Paint 3D. And so let's move on. And then what else? So this thing we can make whatever we want here. We can like wait a sec, what is this thing? Okay, I'll just trash it. It's trash. Yeah, that's what you do if that thing doesn't belong to your players. So you just hold on it, then do it at this trash icon, this disgusting trash icon. And now this if you want to change the size or move it all around, we can just like do like that. Yeah. Hold on it. Yeah, that's Mario, my favorite cartoon character. And change the size. Like I'm a little blob. Or blob. Blob? 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 Okay, whatever, that's not right. Well, yeah. But if you want it back in the position and then you cannot, in the beautiful position that you already did, but someone else messed it up or yourself on accident, and just do Control Alt T. I repeat, it's Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Oh wait, forgot. If you are done using the moving tool, you should press enter so that you can do the other stuff. I'm gonna do Control Alt C. See? See, it's back in its amazing position. Oh wait, now I brought to life again the layer 6. Okay, so okay, I don't think there's layer 6 anymore. Yep. And then if you want like if you want to write stuff, we could use the label tool. We could put it here. I'm gonna do my name. This is the weirdest one I found. It's Webadings. Trust me, it's not Webdings, it's Webadings. Nah, just kidding. So I'm gonna write my name. Oh my goodness. And then let's do W in little. Here. Guys, if you could guess my name, don't search in Google. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. So don't search in Google. W. Okay, I almost said. Okay, I'll give you a clue, guys. W. You guys will never know my name. Wait, I almost forgot. My dad's a senior, and then I am a little different. Okay, what is that? Oh, it's a beach. And then dot. What does that look like? Oh. Okay. You guys try to translate that in your home. That's a challenge. It's a challenge. Okay, and then yeah, let's get rid of that. Yeah, that's once again spawned layer 6. Yeah, I was also doing that earlier. That's why it's there. Also, so if you want like your person, anyone here, to be a dark or light, you could just use a Control M. Let's see. This me. Yeah. If you want like that. Oh my goodness gracious! I look so beautiful. Oh, I don't even look like myself. I saw a little spark at the upper left or right. Yeah. Yeah, that's amazing. It's beautiful. And then if you want to change your color, Control B. Yeah, cayenne, red, magenta. The common mixtures I use is magenta, red, and yellow. Red, magenta, yellow. Yellow, magenta, red. Yellow, red, magenta. Yeah, it's amazing. I look like I'm blushing. I should lessen the blushingness. Wilfredo, don't blush too much. Yeah, Wilfredo, shouldn't blush too much. No, blushing is illegal. Nope, I look like I have hepatitis there. And booyah! It looks like it's still the same as earlier. Oh, and guys, just so you know, this is my best friend, Samuel, and yeah, he lives with me, and our homes are near each other. Yeah, say say hi, Sam. Hi. Okay, now, so if you want your face to not be sharp, you could use the blur tool. Even though you want to look sharp on your like a wedding or something, or even like in a date, or eating with someone just looking good, looking sharp. Don't want to be too much. You might want to smoothen yourself up. So, I guess that's all I can show you guys for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell and give comments in about let me know if you want me to do Paint 3D. So guys, let me know different things about Roblox and about other things that you want me to try to film if I can. So bye. So long, artists, and Wolf over and out.